Interested in participating in a tax deed auction? The Bay County Clerk's Office conducts online tax deed sales that are open to registered bidders. To start, visit baycoclerk.com and navigate to the tax deed auctions page. From this page, you can access online tax deed sales, tax deed searches, frequently asked questions, the auction calendar, and online registration. Users can search tax deed cases to review property owner information, legal descriptions, liens, and opening bids before participating in an auction. Please be sure to do your due diligence and seek legal advice before bidding for the first time. To participate in an auction, individuals must complete an online registration prior to the sale date. A deposit is required before bidding. That deposit must be equal to or greater than 5% of your highest bid. Another way to calculate it would be that you can only bid 20 times your deposit. For example, if your deposit is $1,000, you can only bid up to $20,000. Deposits may be submitted by electronic check, wire transfer, cash, cashier's check, or money order. Electronic check deposits must be submitted at least 4 days in advance of the sale. If you are the successful high bidder, the non-refundable deposit will be applied toward your purchase at the time of sale. After the sale, the remaining balance of the winning bid, recording fees, and applicable documentary stamp taxes must be paid within 24 hours. Final payment must be made by wire transfer, cashier's check, or money order. Once final payment has been received, the clerk's office will issue the tax deed and mail it to the successful bidder for their records. After the sale is complete, the clerk's office reviews any remaining surplus funds and determines who may be eligible to file a claim. Claims for surplus funds must generally be filed within 120 days of the surplus notice. For additional information, upcoming auction dates, or registration details, visit baycoclerk.com. Thank you for using the Bay County Clerk's Office online services.